How to fix Android screen keeps dimming. So if you want to fix Android screen keeps dimming, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have not turned on the automatic brightness or the A brightness. So if you go for the brightness, here you will have the A brightness, right? So if you tap on the A, then you will have the automatic brightness. So if you have toggled that on, then your brightness will automatically dim according to your circumstances. So you need to simply toggle that off. Once you toggle that off, now your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to check your screen cover. So if your screen cover is covering the camera or the front camera, then you might face some kind of problems. So check the screen cover, and once you've checked, you need to go for your settings, and here you need to simply search for screen timeout. Once you've chosen, here you will have an option of screen timeout. Tap on that, and then here you need to choose maximum minutes, because if you have chosen the minimum, then your screen will keep dimming. So just choose 5 minutes or 10 minutes and your problem will be fixed. And the last option that you can do is check that if your mobile device is on low power mode. So if you have the battery saver or anything like that turned on your device, then you are facing that kind of problems. So battery saver reduces anything that can consume the highest battery. So you just need to turn off the battery saver option if you're on Android, and if you're on the iPhone, then you just need to go with your low power mode. So if you toggle that off, then your problem will be fixed. So that's it. These were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.